Okay, ma'am.
So children, all of you understood, no, what to do?
Yes.
Take your
Yes, ma'am.
notes now. Take your notes. We can continue with the.
Ma'am, but you told that a test will be morning.
Yeah, I told test will be morning, but many of them have not come. See, only 26 are there.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so we will take test in the next period. One more period
Okay,
is there, no, for you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
That is better. I'll get only 26 students otherwise. I want to take test for all.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so we'll do the problems. Continue with the problems. So we were doing, I think, first 4 problems we did. No, first 4 problems we have done.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope so. First 4 problems. So I'll giving you the problems. Just try to do it.
You gave us 4 problems.
4 I gave.
Now we need to start from fifth problem.
Okay, so this was the, I think Kriti, this also was over, right? That problem was over. 4th problem was over.
Kriti was over.
Yeah, Kriti, book stall, that portion was over.
What
Now,
we
next
finished.
topic. This one, we were doing this problems, right? So, let me take the pen.
We are going to start.
We are going to start with this. Yeah.
So now we want to do the fifth question.
Yes, remaining problems.
Ma'am, we need to take textbook.
Uh,
Ma'am, we need to take textbook.
No. Don't do it in textbook. Do it in your rough book, which I have told you last day. We did no. Same way you have to do it. Okay.
Ma'am, we need to take the textbook.
Yeah. If you can, no need. No, you can read from this. If it is okay.
Okay,
No need to take the text. Okay. Otherwise, you can keep your text with you. Sometimes I'll be making it short for answering. Then also you can read it, no problem. All of you have reached. Only 26 were there. Strength. I don't know why I'm taking all this. Many
Now
of them will not be
30
known.
are there.
30 are there. Getting up only, waking up. Okay, so we can just see the 5th one. Okay, 5th one you read. Yes, Prayag, can you read it? Prayag, read the 5th question. Prayag, read the 5th question. You cannot see? Can you see?
Yes.
Yeah. Now tell me.
Find the difference between the greatest and the last number that can be
Least number.
written using the digit 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. Each one, each only one.
So find the difference between the greatest and the least number that can be written using digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3 each only once. Only one time you can write the number. Can you try yourself? Do it. Can you do it yourself? Greatest number. Find out the greatest number. What is the greatest number? See, listen. The question is find the difference between what? Greatest and the least number that can be written using the digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3, each only once. That means you have to write only one time, the one number only one time, one number only once. So how will you write it? First, you have to find out what is the greatest number that can be formed by these digits. So we can write with steps. It is black in color, so let me change the color in the,
Ma'am,
1
any
minute.
sir?
Okay. So which is the greatest number which can be formed?
Ma'am,
Greatest number.
76,432.
How to form a greatest number, you know, children? How to form a greatest number? By using the digits which is given.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to,
No.
tell me. Simply write it in the descending order.
6, 7.
That numbers you write it in the descending order.
Descending
You will get
order. So that
the
will be the
greatest
greatest
digit
number.
which can be formed by
Yes,
that
ma'am.
number.
Yes, ma'am.
Here, which is the greatest number here? A digit here, 7. 7, then 6.
7, 6,
The
Then
4, 3, 2. Ma'am,
4,
7, 6, 4, 3, 2.
2. This is the greatest number. This is the greatest number which can be formed by those digits. Isn't it?
76,432.
76,432. So how to form the lowest digit, that is the least
And
number?
we should write in ascending order.
We should write in the ascending order. Isn't it? So numbers you write in ascending order.
23,000.
Reverse.
467.
Lowest, least one, that is 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, right? That is the lowest number. Isn't it? How will you form greatest number using the
By
digits
writing
given?
at
Write
descending
it
order.
in descending order.
7.
Lowest means write it in ascending order.
Ascending order.
Okay. Now what is asked? What is asked? Find the difference between
these.
greatest and the lowest.
Minus. Right, ma'am.
So we have to subtract. So let us subtract 6, 4, 3, 2. Find out. Answer you find out. 4,
This
6,
in steps.
7. Okay. Subtract. Find the
Ma'am, I
answer.
cannot see it. Excuse me, ma'am. We should write this in steps.
Yes. I will give you. Find the answer first. Then we can write it with steps. Find the, can you find out the answer? Then tell me the answer, then we will do it with steps.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay, tell me.
52,965.
Okay, 52,965 is the correct answer. So here we got 12. So 5, then here it will become 2, then here 3, 1, 6, then 3, 13, 4 plus 9, 13. Then here it will become 5. So 5 minus 3, you will get 2. And then 7 minus 2, 5. So 52,000, not point, it is comma. 52,965. 52,965 is the answer. Clear? Okay. So we will do it in with the steps. Steps I will give you. Write it accordingly. I'll give the steps.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes.
I'm underline that in the down the same answer is there.
That is okay. That is I have. No. That answer is not in the text. I have written it. Okay. Okay. I took the photo from the book which I have written the answers. So answers means this. Don't check this answer. You have to find out. Okay. That may or may not be correct. One student's book it is. I don't know whether it is correct. We have to check it. Clear? Don't say that answer. It may or may not be correct because from one student's text I have taken the photo. I have not written in the answer. It is not verified. Okay. So don't say that answer. You find out and tell the answer. Find the difference between great. So I have to just make it small. 1 minute. Yeah. I have to move this to the corner. You will be able to read. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, no? Okay. So we will write the steps and do it. Okay. So first write greatest number formed. Greatest difference between greatest and least number that can be written using the digit. So greatest number formed is equal to, what is the greatest number? 7, 6,
Ma'am,
4,
cannot
3,
see your right.
3, 2. What? You cannot see me.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can see too. Ma'am, I think they have some connectivity issues.
Now is it okay?
Ma'am, we can see you, ma'am. I think they had some connectivity issues.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. That audio wire came on over the camera wire. That's it. Now lowest one. Lowest number
Ma'am, least.
or least number. You can write lowest number or least number. Least number. What is that? FORMED. Least number is equal to 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. 7. Now, the difference between greatest and least number. Difference between the numbers. Difference between the numbers is equal to subtract, isn't it? 7, 6, 4, 3, 2 minus 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Now subtract, you will be getting the answer as 52,965.
965.
52,965. 65. You can do it in the working column, and when you write it in the main sheet, let it be like this. 52,965.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, finished?
Excuse
Now
me,
next
ma'am.
one.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Speak la.
today you will send this notes to group.
Okay. I thought after completing this.
Ma'am, that is better, ma'am, after completion.
Otherwise, every now and then I
Yes,
have to
ma'am.
check. So we will finish this set of word problems, then I will send the note. Isn't it? Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
By tomorrow. I'll try to finish this by this, or otherwise by Saturday. So Sunday you can sit and write. That will be better, I think.
That will be.
So we'll try to finish this together, then I will give you the notes. Okay.
Ma'am,
So
over, ma'am.
everything you need not write. You are taking down all this in your note, right?
Yes, ma'am. Question also.
Note you are writing, isn't it? You are writing in the rough note. So some problems we can do it in the fair note. Okay. No need to write all the problems. We can do the problems in the class. You can understand the answer, everything. But in the note, you need not write so much. You can write the problems which I am
Ma'am, up to 5 I written in rough.
Okay,
note.
no problem. Very good, very good. Write it. If you write, no problem. Okay. If you, I'll be giving the fair note. All the problems will not be there. We will do all the problems what is given in the text.
Okay, ma'am, you will not give all the problems.
All the problems in the note. No need to write. All important problems, variety problems.
Okay,
We
ma'am.
will do in the note. What is repeating, you can do in this note. That's why I told you, take down whatever I am teaching in the class, you take down in the rough note, max rough note. Okay.
Ma'am.
Now, next one, you try next one. It is very easy,
Okay,
no?
ma'am.
Next one, a machine. Read it. I'll call the person who have to read. Yes, Felix Naijo, can I see you? Your video is switched off. Daniel, Melvin, Mohammad Zain, all of you switch on your videos. Switch on the videos. Felix Naijo, remove the photo. I want to see your face. Saurav, Efrain Joby.
Ma'am, I can't go on my video.
What happened? Felix, now it's okay. Felix, read the question.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
A
read it.
merchant had medicine is packed in boxes, each weighing 4 kg 500 grams. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kilograms?
Was it that?
Oh, ma'am, sixth one.
It's
A machine on an average.
Listen, I am asking you to do read sixth question. Question number 6.
Okay, ma'am.
6 you read.
Machine on an average manufactures 2,825 screws.
Screws.
What,
Screw.
ma'am, that is?
You know what is screw?
Screws.
Screw you have
ma'am.
seen, no? To fix
Ma'am.
nails and all. Screw.
A day.
Screw a day.
How many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006?
6. Okay, good. So we will do it. There is a Siana Jafar is present. Siana Jafar. Siana, switch on your video. Pridan, Pranav, you, Srihari. Siana, switch on the video.
Ma'am, I am on.
Your video is on. But I cannot see you here. Then read, can you read it, Siana? This 6th question, can you read it? Or tell me what to do. A machine on an average, on an average manufactures 2,825 screws a day. How many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006? Can you tell me what to do, Siana? You think? So on an average, let it be manufactures.
Multiply.
1 minute. Let Siana answer. 2825 screws. 2,825 screws one day. In one day. So how many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006? So we have to check in January, month of January, how many days will be there, Siana? How many days in January?
31 days.
How many days?
31 days.
31 days, isn't it? So 31 days means in one day, how much screws the machine is producing? One day?
2,825.
So for 31 days, how many screws it will produce? How will you find out?
By multiply.
Have to multiply. Isn't it? Multiply with what? What with what?
31.
2,825 with
31. Very good. So we have to multiply 2,825 with 31. Then we will be getting the answer. Find out. Can you find out? All of you?
Yes, ma'am, you can find.
Okay, just find out check whether this answer is correct or not.
Ma'am, we need to multiply the right, ma'am.
Yes, yes. You have to
2825
multiply and find out.
multiplied by 30.
Don't believe these answers. It is this written by one student. It may not be correct. So just check whether that is correct.
Ma'am, I finished.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Did you
we need to
multiply? Did you multiply?
Ma'am, we need to multiply with
With what?
825 and 2006.
Ma'am, the answer is correct.
Who is asking the doubt? Let me check. 1 minute. Let me see who is asking the doubt now. Chris Joe.
Sienna.
Sienna is asking doubt. Sienna. Okay, Sienna, can you tell me? Huh?
How we need to multiply
You only told no. You told no multiply
also?
or no? Huh? See, 1 day how many screws it will produce?
Yeah,
on
I know.
one day 2,800. That number is given, isn't it? 1 day. So the question is,
ma'am.
in January 2006, how much screws it is producing? That means
Ma'am, the answer is correct, ma'am.
we
Over
have to
there.
find out January, how many days are there? How many days in January? 31 days, isn't it? 30 days as September,
31.
April, June and November. All the rest as 31.
Ma'am,
February
I have
20.
a doubt, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, they are asking how many screws did it produce in the month of January 6th.
January 2006. 2006 is a year.
Okay,
Any
ma'am.
year, January have only 31 days, isn't
Okay,
it?
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
That is it.
Ma'am, but
Okay. That was the
the
doubt.
days in January.
2006 or 2012 or 2022, January
Ma'am,
is
but
having only
that
31 days.
days in January.
So 31 into, this number, let me check. What is that number? 2,825 into 31.
And that day,
Answer is correct.
2,800 screws
ma'am.
a day.
1,575.
That is 1 day. I will give the steps. I will give the steps, then it is clear. I will give you the steps, then it is clear to you. It will be clear to you.
And that is 1 day, right?
1 day. I will tell.
But
I'll
they
give you
saying
the
only
steps.
we need to
then.
take the January only.
January only. That is a question
Okay,
given.
ma'am.
Only in January. The question is given only for Jan, no?
Ma'am, I
January.
think that 2,825
or
that day we
2007
need
or
to
2025, January
that
have
day-
only 31 days, isn't
okay,
it?
ma'am, that day we need to find out. Then we need to add from there.
No. That day, not that day. Month of January means we have to see in 1 month how much screws it can
ma'am.
produce. Okay, so write the steps, then it is clear to you. You write it like this. Number of screws manufactured 1 day. Number of screws manufactured 1 day. What is that? It is
1,825.
2,825. Now, number of screws, number of days in January.
31.
31. So total number of screws produced.
Yeah, ma'am, answer is correct, ma'am.
Yes, good. Total number of screws produced. Can you read my handwriting, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Total number of screws produced.
Yes, ma'am.
In the month of January. Produced in the month of January.
Equal to
That is equal to
2,825 multiplied by 31 is equal to
31. Okay.
yes.
There a confusion comes because that off is coming in between. So I'll write it little down.
87,575.
Yes. So you just write it in the month of Jan. That is 2, 8, 25 into 31. So you will get the answer when you multiply. You know 2-digit multiplication and all, no? Lower classes you have studied, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, we have studied it.
Yes.
Okay,
So the final answer, what did you get? Answer 87,575. 87,000 something, isn't it? Yeah. 87,000. 87,575.
575.
Yes, children. Hmm.
Can you see?
Ma'am, we did up to 3-digit multiplication.
Okay, very good. So we have completed 2 problems. I'll take attendance now. 9, 10 only, otherwise I will not be able to take your attendance. Huh? So in the next period, I'll be taking the test. Okay. And after that, we have time. After test, we will continue with this problems, right? So let me take the attendance. Can I rub this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Finished?
Yes, ma'am, we can rub. Yes, you can rub it. We're finished.
Yes. Yeah, I'll take the attendance.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, 23. Ahil Samir.
Present, ma'am. Present.
Abhimanyu. Abhimanyu CV. Abhimanyu CV.